Hi, this is Keshidhar, studied in Shankara Institute of Technology. I'm explaining about subject is Internet of Things. Topic is IoT protocols. IoT protocols making IoT data communication seamless. The protocols of the Internet of Things IoT technology stack are essential as without them the hardware and would be rendered useless. Data communication would be a challenge. IoT protocols by definition and visions. IoT protocols aim to connect devices to IoT devices over a seamless and secure connection. The IoT protocols operate on four pillars: device connectivity, data, and analytics. Their defenses in depth secure strategy shield the data transmissions layer by layer, while the business layer includes the management of billing and data marketplace. The people who interact with IoT devices and technologies fall under the technology user layer. The device layer comprises a combination of sensors, hardware, accumulator, software, and gateways constituting a devices and connect and interact within a network. The data layer involves the data collecting process, stored and analyze the business context. IoT protocol connection models. There is no set of the pattern for the data routing and the data communication is highly dependent on the network topology. However, the fundamental models are used either the standalone or the combination for the IoT deployments includes communication models: device to device, device to gateway, device to gate data, gateway to data, communication between data, device to device. That enables communication between nearby devices using to IoT protocols like Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi. Device to gateway. In this model, the device communications with the data system using a Mediterranean platform such as an LPWAN, Wi-Fi, and R Ethernet IoT protocols. The core function of this device to gateway are combining data from sensors, analyze it, and routing it to the destination data systems, data center or cloud. Also, in case of any problem, the connection models sends back the gate data to the source devices. Device to data. It works on the edge computing, allowing devices to connect directly with the data source. A few popular devices to data connection model include BLE, LoRaWAN, and Z-Wave. Gateway to data. It is a simple communication between the Mediator platform or central hub and the data center or cloud. Open automation software and universal data connector are the best example for the robust IoT gateway. Communication between data. This protocol connection model allows data transmission between the data center and the cloud. It includes IoT data protocol like MQTT, HTTP, REST, etc. Type of IoT protocols. IoT protocols and standards are broadly classified into two separate categories, including IoT data protocols that have presentation or application layers and network protocols for IoT comprising data link and physical layers. Type of IoT protocols. IoT data protocols. These protocols establish the end-to-end communication between the low-power IoT devices and the hardware to the source, client, and our user side using only wide or cellular networks. The IoT data protocol function without an internet connection. Advanced message queuing protocol. Advanced AMQP is widely used in a banking in finance of the message oriented open standard software protocol. It comprises three crucial message components: exchange, queue, and routing. It is based on the transaction control protocol and works on the architecture of the publish, subscribe, and request response types. In addition, the regretted delivery of the transaction messages to make AMQP interoperable, secure, and reliable. Data Distribution Services (DDSS) is a UDP publishes subscribe APP facilities, secure real-time M2M data sharing between the connected IoT devices. Furthermore, it works into the brokenless, schemeless architecture (DCPS) and DLRL, operates independently and of any hardware or software platforms. It multiple response functions, simplifies IoT deployment for both small devices and high performance networks, extensible messaging and presence protocols. XMPP is decentralized, open source, and secure protocol development using XML language to enabling real-time data exchange. It operates as a presence indicator by the reflecting a status of the available services and devices. XMPP IoT is lightweight versions of the XMPP and is the best for the consumer oriented IoT deployment in the extensible, scalable, and flexible. Thank you.